In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects with time tracking in Monday.com. Let's start on the Monday.com homepage. From here, head to Workspaces. Workspaces are your top-level containers, and they keep everything grouped by team or function. Choose your main workspace so all the boards and folders you create will live in one organized place. Now, we'll set up structure for your projects. Click the plus sign and choose Folder. Give the folder a clear project name so it's easy to scan later. If you're managing multiple projects, click the plus sign again and create another folder. You can repeat this as many times as you need. One folder per project keeps things tidy and makes permissions simpler to manage down the line. On a newly created folder, right-click and hover over Create in Folder. This ensures anything you add stays neatly inside that project's folder. Select Board. A board will hold your project's tasks, timelines, owners, and, in a moment, your time tracking. Name your board with something descriptive. Next, choose the appropriate privacy level. Public works great for wider visibility across your account. Private is ideal if the project contains sensitive information, and shareable is helpful when collaborating with external stakeholders. Now, you'll be prompted to select what you're managing in this board. Choose projects so the structure and language match a typical project flow. Click Create Board to finish. If you have more projects, go back to your folder list, select the next new folder, and repeat those steps to create additional project boards inside each folder. Keeping one board per project helps reporting and ownership stay clear. Open one of your project boards so we can enable time tracking. Click the plus sign in the columns area, type time tracking into the search, and select time tracking to add that column to your board. This column will record exactly how long each item takes. To track time in real time, press the play button in the time tracking column on the row you're working on. Make sure you've clicked the correct row first, especially if your board has many items. When you're done, pause the timer to log the session. If you need to add time after the fact, select the row and choose Add Session manually. Enter the start at time, then the end at time. This captures work you forgot to time or work completed away from your desk. Save the session and you're set. That's it. Your projects are neatly organized with folders and boards, and your time tracking is up and running for accurate project insights.